What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we're at another auction today. Couple auctions in one day. You guys know how I go down. We can only be at one. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Got a few cars on our list today. Let's get right into it, shall we? Alrighty, guys. First up, man, we got a 2013 Chrysler 200 here. 110,000 miles on the dash. From this angle and this side, it does look pretty good. It does have like the black headlights. However, you got a little tequila kickage here, excuse me. Little rough in the front. So that axle actually may be whooped too. Got some beeping. So, oh yeah, the key is in, okay. For sure. I was like, it's about to blow up. But anyways, interior looks pretty good. 110,000 miles, could use a good detail. However, you guys see the front. I don't know if that car or whatever took the tire with it and knocked it back a little bit off alignment, but other than that, you do got some more chinnage here. Not too bad though. Tires seem pretty new and pretty fat. I like the little wide stance on that. It does seem pretty good. So I don't know what you guys think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. You do got like some carbon fiber type of trim on that joint. So I don't know, we can actually pop the hood on this and check it out. And if we look under the hood, it does look pretty good and new, and everything looks to be intact here. So that's a plus there. So I know this will be a pretty good card, I guess, to flip if you can get it for a pretty decent enough price. Stay tuned and let's see if we can get that joint. Alrighty, guys, we got a 1971 custom 20 here with a 350 on this joint. Man, this thing looks freaking beast. I definitely would grab this joint today. I need to send this to my pops. He'll probably want me to bid on it for him today. Let's see what's under this hood here, shall we? Okay, we got a motor, but you already know me. And if you don't know me, I'm a LS type of guy. So this will get swapped out to an LS pretty fast. Would I paint it? Probably not. I honestly like the whole rusty type of look. Looks really good. If we take a look at the inside, does have some that original feeling here. I honestly would just leave it exactly the same. Pretty much upgrade the suspension on this thing, make it like super top-notch suspension from the ground up, and then just leave the body just as is. But literally under this thing will be all pro model, like new type stuff. Does look like a really good looking truck. Nice working truck, man. Wouldn't mind having this. What do you guys think about the 1971, man? Let me know in the comments below. And you guys know at this auction, most of the stuff in the back is pretty much like, you know, stuff that's nobody's really interested in. So I'll give you guys just a quick look what's back here. You got an Oldsmobile Cutlass. Oh wow, I didn't even peep this. I was walking right by and I didn't even see this joint, y'all. How could you? We got a 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass, 158,000 miles on the dash. Man, this will be pretty decent to work on as well. My buddy got one of these twin turboed out the game, freaking on like 24s or 26s rather. Freaking super beast. You guys just look at the interior. Wow, this thing looks clean on the inside, boy. Yeah, they got some clean looking cars up in here, man. Some clean old schools. Like super original. If you guys look at the wheels, man, this thing look like it's about to get cracking. Oh my God. Original yellow. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. Got a little rust. Ooh. Motor look real good under this joint. Motor look good, man. Let me close that before somebody else see what I see. Yeah, they gonna have a hard time opening that, but man, that thing look nice, boy. Look nice. Couple Lexuses, PT Cruiser, couple of old Suburbans, Tahoes. Nothing really that nobody's interested in, so we're just gonna keep it moving here. And I only review the stuff that we'll actually probably get. Got a little Honda here, Buick LeSabre, another Honda, a Kia, Kia, Hyundai, whatever. I forget the name of this thing, guys. We got a 03 Honda Elantra here, 116,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it looks like the paint is a little faded. The hood and bumper is like the most glossiest part on the whole car. If you can get that thing re-hit with a fresh coat of paint, man, you might be in the green. Inside does look pretty dirty and pretty wet, man. You're gonna be scrubbing that thing out. But I don't know, this one is a little bit too win for me, but if you like it, man, I love it. So moving along. Got a Acura here. Doors whooped on that side. And they got a bunch of junk here, but every now and then they will have a bunch of like good cars. I can tell you that. I can tell you that much. Got a Toyota Camry, little Hyundai. Okay, we got another Toyota Camry. This one got some little damage on the bumper here. I guess it's crossed out. They don't have a number for it, so I can't tell you guys exactly what year it is. You guys take a look at the inside. It does have that tan leather interior. It's pretty whipped as most are. You can swing around this way. That back tire is flat. This thing might have been sitting up here for a bit over a while. We just take a walk down this side. It does seem pretty fair. Then I would say they might have ran over something, but it doesn't even really look that bad, honestly. Pop the hood on this bad boy. No, this hood doesn't hold itself up, so I'm gonna set that down. That thing pretty heavy now. We got another Hyundai Elantra here, 138,000 miles. I think I did it on the Elantras already, guys. I'm actually cool on that joint. Expedition, cool on that. Got a whooped Impala with spray paint. Wow, they used a spray paint to get this thing back red. They was like, yeah, dog, it's looking good, man. That thing wet, candy apple. Yeah, all right. Or they must have drew some stuff on here, didn't have the insurance to cover it. Sucks. Got another Impala. Yeah, I'm only filling a couple cars here today, guys. Couple cars here. And this one is a 04 Mazda 6. Mileage is unknown. Not really sure if it runs or not, but it does look pretty good. Doors is locked. Back door is open. You guys see the front really quick. I guess it's pretty fair, but I don't even think this thing runs, honestly. I'm pretty sure we seen this one here like last week or something. I don't know. What you guys think about the Mazda? Because I don't even think this thing runs. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 05 Mazda RX-8 here. Unknown mileage as well. Doubt it's the manual. Oh yeah, it is the manual. You got a Shinka, look. You got a real deal Shinka. That's cool. We got the RX-8, man. Remind me of Tokyo Drift. And the Gaijins. You a Gaijin. This one actually seemed pretty cool. I'll get cracking in this. Take this to the little drift track out here. If y'all don't know what Shinka is, look it up on Google. And you'll see a bunch of nice stuff, I guarantee it. You can actually pop the hood on this bad boy. Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty under there. I'm pretty sure it may not run. If it does run, it might run a little rough. It is what it is. What y'all think about the RX-8, man? Let me know in the comments below. They got a few other cars here, guys, but none really that interesting, honestly. They got a few interesting cars. And I already showed you the ones that are that we pretty much would bid on. Got a little Prelude right here. Also, they got a Kia that they're raffling off. This is the one I just bought. They got the same exact year, same model, everything. 2010. This one actually has 127,000 miles though, so you just check it out. Does look really good. Oh, it's a stick shift. That's why. I was wondering. Okay, but stick shift. Well, that saved me time in waiting, because if this thing was automatic, I would be waiting here at this auction today. But it's not enough stuff to wait, and it's not really worth it being a stick shift. Not too many people are into stick shifts. So with that being said, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please do so right now. I'll wait for you. You guys seen the cars today. Actually, I thought the Kia was gonna be an auto, something that we might have been interested in, could have doubled up on that, but wasn't auto, and I'm really only into auto because most people only drive auto around here. So it is what it is, guys. As always, peace, and I'll catch you on the next one.